Okay, part D. In part D, they wanted to find t prime of x. Oh, that's easy. T of x was just a polynomial, and so they're asking us to find the derivative of a polynomial. You guys know how to find derivatives of polynomials. And then they say the first two terms of geometric series. Show that that geometric series will converge when x equals 3 and compute the sum. All right. So, all right, fine. We have t of x right here. We want to find t prime of x. Okay, taking the derivative with regard to x. Yada. All right, I'm going to do a little cleanup, a little chain rule. So I'm going to make a u substitution, x minus 2, and then d dx equals 1. So now I can just write it like this. Negative 9u. That's, yeah, I think that's a 2. Yeah, u squared. My handwriting is messy. Negative 3u cubed. Taking the derivative, 7's going away by constant. The negative 9u squared is going to turn into negative 18u du dx. Thankfully, it's 1, so if you forgot it, you wouldn't get burned, but yeah, don't forget it. And we got negative 3u cubed, turn it into negative 3 and 9, u squared. That is a square. Yes, it is. Du dx. Okay, so now plugging back in u, we get the first two terms are negative 18, x minus 2, and negative 9, x minus 2 squared. Fine. We want to show it's a geometric series. Okay. If it's a geometric series, you got to multiply the first term by something to get the second term. We have to multiply negative 18 by to get negative 9. Oh, I think that would be a half. And then what do I have to multiply x minus 2 by to get x minus 2 squared? Oh, that would be x minus 2. So I now know my r value is 1 half times x minus 2. You want to show that the geometric series will converge when x equals 3. So when x equals 3, r equals a half. Now, I'm going to dock myself the point because I should have at this stage, because r is less than 1, it's going to converge. And I didn't say it. I just wrote it. Of course, Mr. Reader, you know I meant to tell you that if r was less than 1, then it's going to converge. But I forgot to do it, so you're going to dock me the point, and I should know better. All right. Geometric series. There have been a lot of BC calculus exams, and I can't think of a single BC calculus exams where you didn't use this formula, and I don't think this year is going to be the first one. I expect your second question is going to be Taylor polynomial, and expect to use this. So, all right, they're saying it converges when x equals 3. When we plug in x equals 3 into the first term, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 times negative 18. So the first term is negative 18. And when we plug in 3 here, our r value turns into a half. And when you divide negative 18 by a half, you get negative 36. And that would be the sum. So I'm going to say there are 3 points in there. And the 1 point I'm going to miss is because I didn't say r is less than 1. You should say that right here. Okay, I think that's it for this problem.